2 at 3 knots. We have 2 Russian aircraft Su-24 currently 2 nautical miles and closing. 115 true at 5 knots. We have 2 Russian Su-24s currently conducting multiple passes at CPAs of 75 feet. Wings are clean, continuing to track and monitor.
Oh, this is definitely marking on top here.
We have 2 Russian Su-24s currently conducting multiple passes at CPAs of 75 feet. Wings are clean, continuing to track and monitor. Oh my God.
Below the bridge wing.
We have 2 Russian Su-24s currently conducting multiple passovers, wing clean, continuing to track and monitor. 4094 true, 3 knots. 1 Russian Su-24 conducted 3 flybys with CPA of 1,000 yards, wings clean, continue to track and monitor.
And about 300 feet. Tight formation, left hand turn over the bow.
For Russian Helix K-827. Today's date is 12 April 2016. Time is 13:39 Zulu. Operating vicinity of 5554484 North, 0854449 East. On course 094 true at 10 knots. We have 1 Russian Helix Ka-27 currently less than 100 feet encircling the ship. 2 personnel taking pictures, continuing to track and monitor.